Tags are visual labels that allow you to organize your references easily. To create a tag, click the plus sign next to My Tags. The Create Tag window opens. Name your new tag and assign a color. Click the Create Tag button. Now the new tag has been created. To add the tag to records, select the records first, then drag and drop them to the tag in the Group panel. Now you can see the 16 records with the new tag here. To add tags to a record, right-click on it. Click Manage Tags from the pop-up list. The Manage Tags window will open. Click on the available tags to add them to the record. You can search for a tag or create a new tag here. The Clear Tags button will delete all the tags from this record. When you finish, click the OK button. Now you see the tags added to the record here. Click the Edit tab to see the details. The Manage Tags command is also accessible here. Click Tags from the top menu bar. You can see more tag commands from the list here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos on using EndNote.